So chances are, if you own a home, at some point in your home's life, you stay there long enough, you're going to be told by a termite guy, you're going to get a termite inspection or something, and he's going to talk to you about the wood around your house having termite, dry rot, that your fascia needs to be replaced. The question is, how do you know when your fascia does need to be replaced? What does it look like? Some of the fascia can simply be repainted, sanded, patched, these kind of things. You don't always need to just tear every piece off. So where do you draw the limit? What is it that really needs to go? So we're going to show you, number one, when this stuff gets this bad and it is crumbling, this is a really bad sign. Here, look at that. That's a big area. It's already been painted over. That's a sure sign. It's large. It's bigger than like a quarter. This is just going to keep on going. That's a sign. Sign number two. This is always a bad sign that the wood has gotten really soft. The nails are coming out. Look at that. It's just, you could just pull the nails straight out and push them straight in. It's hollow. That's a bad sign. So it's more than just, you know, a little bit of paint peeling. The wood is still, integrity of the wood is good. Now look at this. So this is a big connection. It's a huge crack. Not exactly a good sign. Big expansion crack. Large cracks. That's always a bad sign that water has been getting in there. So that's 3 signs. It's always good to look at the corners too, so we can hit a few qualifiers. Nails are just coming straight out. Look at another one. Boom. Look at that. That's not holding anything. I can almost just hammer that in with my hand. It's crazy. Corner. That's a bad corner. Look at that. So this is probably as a result of the waterproofing is not perfect in there. Oh yeah, you can feel it just rotting right in there. That's what's going on here. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, this is really bad. That's a really good sign. Look at that. Trim tile fell off and whoa. That's not good. So these are a couple sure signs that your fascia needs to be replaced. Nails just coming straight off. A lot of obvious rot. Let me go back down to here. Okay, sorry about that. And really big cracks in the fascia. So I'm going to go through, inspect the rest of this roof. Looks like it's going to rain today. And we'll do another series when I come up with some more problems. This will be part 1 of part 2, because there's a lot of different problems you can get with fascia. And so I'm going to go through a few more, and we'll see you on the next one.